So, see, VMware started their Eastern operations with a local office. That is what I mean to say, with a local office in Calcutta. That was started from this year, January onwards. Okay. And we have an office in Park Street, as I had mentioned earlier. And we have two people currently operating for East, and the territories which we cover are whole of East, including Northeast, that is from India, Bangladesh, Bhutan, and Nepal as an additional countries that we have in our patch. So that is how we cater to these market to our customers from Calcutta. See, it's a very dynamic market for the Eastern territory in India. Apart from that, we can see a very big potential market where in Bangladesh is becoming very potential in terms of virtualization, the product that we cater to those customers. And we can see a future roadmap which is huge in terms of business from Bangladesh. East per se, Calcutta, I would say that people are now getting more concerned about cost saving through their capex and opex, and they are considering a lot of virtualization solutions within their infrastructure requirement. So I think there is potential in East for our product even, but it will take some time to pick up in that level. See, channel has welcomed, in fact, before me, this Eastern territory was looked after remotely from Delhi. And when I joined, I am a very well-known face in the channel community. So people welcome me, my joining, but that time we didn't have an office. I joined in September last year. And then slowly and steadily we came up with an office in Calcutta in January this year. So once the office got established for VMware, I think people really they were looking ahead to have an office and interactions with VMware people more and more. And to add on that, when we added one more resource into Eastern territory of VMware, a pre-sales, Devjit. Devjit is our pre-sales manager for East. So that was really welcomed, and we are seeing a tremendous change in our approach, in our customer feedback and customer response. So obviously we have been able to bridge the gap where it was with the communication, faster product, I would say details, gathering the informations, sharing the informations, product awareness. All these things has improved, and people, especially the channel community, has started giving much response to VMware compared to earlier, because it was very difficult for them to get hold of people and get the knowledge, get the product details, pricing, everything, which has become now very easy for them to access. So I would say in a nutshell, accessibility has become very easy. To be very honest, people talks about Eastern market, which is tap and tap, but I feel that Eastern market is nothing, I would say it's not that big that you cannot tap, but obviously you need the right people at the right time to approach the customer, and in a more schematic, or I would say more, you should be groomed enough to address the market in a proper format. So that is what I recommend. And for VMware, I have never felt that difficulty, because till you have the channel community within your reach, and they are, I would say, enabled with what solution you are going to provide to the customers, end customers. If the there are almost 18 features, okay, compared within different editions. As I told you, we have 3 different editions on our virtualization stack, that is vSphere, and the current version is 5.0. So we have three editions, standard, enterprise and enterprise plus. So it depends on customer requirement, customer, I would say, we position these products as per their need. So if it is an SMB class of customer, generally they prefer to go with a standard or an enterprise edition. And large enterprise, generally companies like ITC or NIC or talk about Bangladesh telecom industry, they prefer to go with the high-end product that we have, that is Enterprise Plus. So these editions are there as per their features available within them. So our top-end product has almost 18 features, starting from what we call vMotion, fault tolerance, dynamic power management, dynamic resource scheduler. So all these things are there integrated into our product. So which gives a lot of benefits to the customer, and obviously it saves, as I told you, my virtualization stack saves money for the customer.